To perform the rear delt fly, start with the dumbbells at your sides in a nice strong stance. Keep your back straight as you hinge your hips back and come forward to a parallel position. Then, using your back muscles and a slight bend in the elbows, pull the dumbbells up and let them come down nice and strong, fighting gravity on the way down. Focus on squeezing your shoulder blades behind you and keeping a strong posture in this position. Don't arch your lower back. Repeat with good form through all programmed repetitions. This exercise is called the rear delt fly. It's excellent for hitting that really hard to hit spot in your subscaps and also teaching you how to create good posture with your shoulders. We got dumbbells, let's get into it. The rear delt fly is a tricky exercise to do correctly. Notice while Katie's doing it, she's actually using her shoulder blades and her lower trapezius muscles and her rear delts to bring those shoulder blades together behind her. Something you can't see because she makes it look easy is that she's fighting gravity on the way down. So she's not just flapping her wings. As they come up, she fights it on the way down and gets a nice deep burn in her rear delts. She keeps great posture and excellent breathing. You're doing a good job, Katie.